The color of your earwax can tell how healthy you are. Cleaning our ears is one of the most important aspects of our personal hygiene routine. While the majority of readers probably don't pay close attention to their earwax, the following list of medical issues can be indicated by its coloration. Let's take a closer look at the following list of maladies and what our earwax will have to tell us about them. If the earwax is gray, this means that we're functioning as normal. For the most part, gray earwax is simply the byproduct of dust. If you're someone who lives in a city, then you are far more likely to have gray earwax because of the polluted air. The presence of blood in the earwax can be problematic. This usually means that the eardrum has experienced some form of perforation. It can also mean that the ears have become infected, so be sure to visit a doctor to find out more. Brown earwax does not indicate any sort of malady. What it does indicate is the presence of stress. Brown earwax means that we need to unplug for a bit and spend some time in as peaceful of an environment as possible. Black earwax, on the other hand, this can be considered a major problem. One instance of black earwax is just fine. If it's happening regularly, then this is often considered to be a sign of fungal infection. Is the earwax white? If so, then this means that you're not consuming the proper amount of copper or iron. Oatmeal and beans need to be added to the diet immediately. Adding some vitamins to your daily regimen wouldn't be the worst idea in the world either. Earwax that is especially smelly is a sign of an inner ear infection, and this should not be ignored. If the smell is accompanied by noises that sound disconcerting, then this is a sure sign that you need to be scheduling a doctor's appointment. One of the earwax has begun to take on a more liquid form. This is a common symptom that takes place during the beginning of the inflammation process. This is a sign that we need to be visiting a medical professional as soon as possible. Dried out earwax is a sign that the body is lacking in healthy fats. There are certain fats that we need in order to survive, and if we do not receive these fats, a number of problems will ensue.